Now that you brought it up, you may win this. Well, now that you brought it up, you may win this.
A new sports car! It's a Stingray Corvette, America's true production sports car with full independent suspension, disc brakes on all four wheels, side guard door beams, and new front resilient body color bumper. It's also equipped with steel-belted radial, white wall tires, and air conditioning. It's the Corvette by Chevrolet.
What did your husband tell you, Olivia?
He told me if I want a car, it will be mine. And if I win that, it's going to be mine.